Okay, let's press on with another important concept in algebra. Let's look at the distributive property. Okay, suppose I have 7 times 12. Okay, you can go the standard way, 75 times 12. Okay, but it's another way. You can say that 12 is 10 plus 2. So you say 75 is the same as 75 parenthesis 10 plus 2. And how do you do that? You take the 75, you see the 75, that we don't, it's multiplication, but we don't write that multiplication anymore. We just use parentheses. So 75 times 10, that's what it means. You take the 75, you multiply by 10, you bring your plus sign, and then 75 again times 2. So 75 times 10 is 750, and then 75 times 2 is 150. Put them together. So you see that? Put in parentheses, and then you distribute. We call in distribute through the parentheses. So try this, okay? So you should get something like, okay, how are you gonna split it? Say 80 times what? You're not gonna write it times. You're gonna say 15 is 10 plus 5. And then we're gonna distribute this through the parentheses. 80 times, okay, 80 times the 10. Okay, pause the video, understand it, watch this. 80 times the 10. What do I do next? And it's addition sign. And then again, it is 80 times the 5. Okay, so when you want to remove the parentheses, you multiply through it. Okay, let's do more. Now, let's go over this real quick. This notes here is going to be very helpful. If you have a positive number times a positive number, like 2 times 3, the answer is positive. If I multiply a positive number times a negative number, I get a negative number. And if I multiply two negative numbers, I get positive. Okay? So let's practice it right here. The first one is, I need to open the parentheses 3, parentheses 2x plus 6. How do I do that? Remember what we did? We took the 80, we multiplied it by the first term, we brought the sign, and then we multiplied by the first. So this one here, it is 3 times the 2x, 3 times the 2x. We bring our plus sign, and then 3 times 6. 3 times 2x is 6x plus 18. This is not equation. This is just an expression, so don't try solving for anything. And then 6x and 18 are not like terms, so don't do anything. Don't say this is 24x. It's not true. It's not true. Leave it like this. Okay, try this. Let's do more. What do you think you're going to get? Remember, when you multiply a positive by a negative, you should get what? Negative. So this is 3 times 4, 12. And then 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. I'm done. 3, 2, I'm here. 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x plus 8. Okay, try all these. Try all these. Now, when you get here, I have just negative. You see, I don't have any other number there. It says just negative. Remember, there is a 1 there, but because it's 1, we don't write it. So when you just see that, it means it's negative 1 times 2x, which is negative 2x, and then negative 1 times positive 4, which is negative 4. The same thing over here. Okay, there is a 1 there, we don't write it. So it's negative 1 times negative 2x. What did I say? Negative times negative is positive, so this is 2x. And then negative 1 times positive 4 becomes negative 4. You got the rule? You got it down? You've got it down? Okay. All right. So go over all these on your own and make sure you got the same answers. And this, I'll leave this one here for you to do. Just do that. Do that real quick. Pause the video, do it, and see if you get the same answer. What is this? This is going to be what? The answer is negative 2 times negative 2x will be positive 4x. Negative 2 times negative 4 will be positive 8. We're done. Okay, more work to follow. All right, you've got the basics right now. Okay, go over all these questions and I'll send you more exercises. Keep on practicing. Practice at least makes what? Improvement. If you're doing the right thing. Have a good day. Bye bye.